The story began in California, a reminder that when God holds a dream, He releases it at the right time. From there, we went to New York City, a place I had carried in my heart for many years. Back in 2013, I was in the US for work, 6 months. There were many places I wanted to see, many experiences I wanted to have, but I chose to save. I chose to wait, not because I had no dreams, but because I trusted that God was shaping something bigger. New York was one of those dreams. I just wanted to experience snow, even once. But God didn't give it then. And now I understand why. Some prayers are not denied, they are delayed because God has a better timing. Fast forward to 2025, I never thought I would return to the US. I thought that chapter was already closed. But in just 2 weeks, I visited more places than I did in 2013. Not because I'm more capable now, but because God opened the doors. Every step, every place, every opportunity, all grace. And in this grace, I saw God's hand through my brother's generosity. No pressure, no conditions, just a willing heart to give. Thank you, Dome. It reminded me that when God shapes a heart, kindness flows naturally. As I walked through New York, I realized this journey was not just about the sights. God was also giving us time to talk, to dream, to pray in between our itinerary. That, to me, was the real experience. Not just where God brings you, but what He builds in you along the way. If there is one clear testimony of God's faithfulness in our lives, it is our mother, Mama Sipin. A single mom whom God used to raise us the right way. I didn't understand it then, but now I do. We were not raised with abundance, but we were raised with gratitude. Not raised perfect, but raised with reverence for God. That is why we did not grow up demanding from the world. When there is blessing, we give. When there is blessing, we praise. This 2025 trip is just the three of us for now, me, my brother, and my cousin. But it is also a prayer. Prayer that one day God will gather more of us together, that future trips will include more family, healed relationships, and shared dreams. And in my personal prayer, I ask God that next time, the photos I carry in my luggage will no longer be just pictures, that my mother will be there, that my husband will be there, that my two daughters will walk beside me. Thank you.